Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into MicroStrategy's groundbreaking move towards building a decentralized ID system on the Bitcoin blockchain, using an innovative concept called ordinal-like inscriptions. Let's explore what this means for the future of decentralized identity in Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, the business intelligence firm led by Bitcoin advocate Michael Saylor, is known for its bold moves in the cryptocurrency space. Recently, they've announced plans to develop a decentralized ID system on the Bitcoin blockchain. This initiative aims to leverage Bitcoin's robust security and immutability to create a secure and tamper-resistant platform for managing digital identities. What sets MicroStrategy's approach apart is the use of ordinal-like inscriptions. This concept involves embedding identity information into Bitcoin transactions in a way that resembles ordinal numbers. By incorporating identity data directly into Bitcoin transactions, MicroStrategy aims to establish a seamless and interoperable system for managing digital identities on the blockchain. Decentralized identity solutions have garnered increasing attention and adoption in recent years, driven by growing concerns over privacy, security, and data sovereignty in the digital realm. Traditional identity management systems are often centralized, meaning that individuals must rely on third-party entities, such as governments or corporations, to authenticate and verify their identities. This centralized model not only raises privacy concerns but also exposes individuals to the risk of data breaches and identity theft. In contrast, decentralized identity solutions aim to empower individuals with greater control over their personal data and identity information. By leveraging blockchain technology, decentralized identity platforms enable individuals to create, manage, and share their identities securely and autonomously, without the need for intermediaries. This shift towards self-sovereign identity aligns with the principles of digital autonomy and freedom, allowing individuals to assert ownership over their data and determine how it is used. The significance of decentralized identity extends beyond individual empowerment to encompass broader societal implications. By decentralizing identity management, these solutions offer the potential to democratize access to essential services, such as banking, healthcare, and education, particularly for underserved populations without access to traditional forms of identification. Moreover, decentralized identity can enhance trust and transparency in digital interactions, facilitating secure and verifiable transactions across various domains, from e-commerce to voting. For businesses and organizations, decentralized identity presents opportunities to streamline identity verification processes, reduce compliance costs, and enhance customer trust and loyalty. By adopting decentralized identity solutions, businesses can improve data security and compliance with regulations such as GDPR, while also fostering a more user-centric and privacy-preserving approach to customer engagement. Against this backdrop, MicroStrategy's venture into decentralized identity holds immense significance. By harnessing the security and immutability of the Bitcoin blockchain, MicroStrategy aims to pioneer a new paradigm of identity management that prioritizes user control, security, and interoperability. Through the use of ordinal-like inscriptions, MicroStrategy seeks to establish a robust and scalable platform for managing digital identities, leveraging Bitcoin's network effects to create a globally accessible and tamper-resistant system. Now, let's take a closer look at ordinal-like inscriptions and how they work. Essentially, ordinal-like inscriptions involve encoding identity information into Bitcoin transactions using a standardized format. This allows for the creation of a verifiable trail of transactions that can be used to authenticate and validate digital identities. The beauty of ordinal-like inscriptions lies in their simplicity and compatibility with existing Bitcoin infrastructure. By piggybacking on the Bitcoin blockchain, MicroStrategy's decentralized ID system can benefit from Bitcoin's network effects and security while avoiding the need for complex smart contracts or separate blockchains. Looking ahead, the prospects for decentralized identity on the Bitcoin blockchain are brimming with promise and potential. MicroStrategy's pioneering efforts in this realm herald a new era of innovation and opportunity, with implications that extend far beyond the realm of digital identity management. At its core, the decentralized identity of Bitcoin represents a paradigm shift in how we perceive and interact with digital identities. By leveraging the security, transparency, and immutability of the Bitcoin blockchain, individuals can assert greater control over their personal data and identity information, free from the constraints of centralized intermediaries. This shift towards self-sovereign identity aligns with broader trends towards decentralization and autonomy in the digital age, empowering individuals to reclaim ownership over their digital identities and assert their rights to privacy and security. The adoption of decentralized identity on the Bitcoin blockchain holds transformative implications for a myriad of industries and use cases. From financial services and healthcare to supply chain management and government services, decentralized identity solutions offer opportunities to streamline processes, reduce costs, and enhance trust and transparency. By providing a verifiable and tamper-resistant record of identity information, blockchain-based identity solutions can mitigate fraud, improve compliance, and enable more efficient and secure transactions across various domains. For Bitcoin itself, the integration of decentralized identity represents a natural evolution of its utility and functionality. Beyond its role as a digital currency and store of value, Bitcoin has the potential to serve as a foundational layer for a wide range of decentralized applications and services, including identity management. By expanding Bitcoin's use cases to encompass identity verification and authentication, MicroStrategy's initiative could further solidify Bitcoin's position as the preeminent blockchain platform for innovation and value creation. Of course, realizing the full potential of decentralized identity on Bitcoin will not be without its challenges. In conclusion, the future of decentralized identity on Bitcoin is ripe with possibilities. As MicroStrategy continues to advance its decentralized ID initiative and other projects explore similar endeavors, the vision of a truly decentralized and sovereign digital identity ecosystem inches closer to reality. By harnessing the transformative potential of blockchain technology, we can unlock new opportunities for empowerment, innovation, and collaboration, shaping a future where individuals are the masters of their digital destinies. That wraps up today's video.